Hey girl, hey, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I am going to be bringing you a laundry room deep clean and a little bit of laundry folding motivation. This laundry room needs some help. We are going to get right into this video. Okay, we are going to start by removing the laundry baskets out of the laundry room. And I'm saying we because I am hoping you are up and you are cleaning along with me. Get up and clean, sis. Come on, get on up. And then I'm going to remove the trash can and the drying rack. And then I'm going to proceed to sweep the laundry room. And I am sweeping the laundry room with this broken broom, y'all, because the laundry room in this apartment is super duper small. And it's really hard to navigate around this laundry room. So I have to do what I need to do. And then I'm going to be using my tried and true bleach spray. I absolutely love bleach to clean with. It's one of my favorite products to clean with. And I just have it in this Method spray bottle, my tried and true Method spray bottle. I love the nozzle on these spray bottles. And I'm going to wipe down the wash machine. I will be cleaning on the inside of this washing machine as well. And I need to go back and watch my Auntie Deb's channel because she mentioned something in Amazon haul about a product that you can use for your washing machine to help clean it. And if you guys know of any products that you have come across that you love, that you use specifically for cleaning your washing machine, please leave me a comment and tell me what that is, because sharing is caring. Hey, I just want to take the time out to introduce myself. My name is Tanya. I am a wife, a stay-at-home mom of 4, and a stepmom of 2. On my channel, you can find cleaning motivations, beauty-related videos, and occasionally some DIYs and motherhood. I want to take the time out to say, hey girl, hey, to all my returning subscribers and my new ones. Thank you so much, mama, for coming back and supporting another video from me. And thank you for being a part of my YouTube fam bam. And if you are new and you had just stumbled across this little old channel, thank you so much for being here. I really do appreciate each and every one of you. So moving on to the dryer, I'm going to be wiping down the dryer and getting off the lint residue. Now, I did accidentally delete the clip. I wanted to show you guys all of the dried up detergent that was on this dryer, but I accidentally deleted it. I'm so sorry, you guys. It was a really good clip, and I am beating myself up over it, okay? So I'm gonna remove the lint rack and clean that out and clean around that as well. So moving on to this washing machine tray, I cannot stand cleaning this, you guys. Like, it is the worst. Like, I wish it was black instead of white. Because of the water buildup, I guess, that falls in there, it gets rusted. As you can see, this little brown area over here, it gets so rusted, and I'm just like, you guys, I cannot stand cleaning this part. I cannot. You know what time it is. This wouldn't be a cleaning motivation video from Tanya if I didn't come in and give you some motivation to clean. You got this, girl. Keep on going. I know we have a lot on our plates today, but we have to tackle this cleaning. I'm going to go ahead and wipe down this floor and remove the trash from the trash bin. And you over there, don't sit down, girl. Do not sit down. Keep on going, mama. You got this. I'm gonna wipe down the lid to this trash can because it has so much lint on it. And you guys, I am done for the deep cleaning portion of this video. I'm gonna move on to starting some laundry. I think I did like 2 loads of laundry, so I'm gonna start that and then move on to some laundry folding motivation. I hope you guys are sticking with me. I hope you guys fold along with me, and then we're going to just have a little chit chat as I fold the laundry, so stay tuned for that. So I'm going to go ahead and throw a load of laundry into the washer. I am going to be washing some sheets and some towels and the kids' loofahs. I'm gonna grab all the laundry out of the dryer. This is about 2 loads of laundry. I'm going to be folding my stepdaughter's clothes in today's video. They did go away for the summer and now they are back with us, and they came back with tons of laundry, honey. So I'm gonna just go ahead and gather it up so we can get this folding motivation started. All right, you guys, we are going to get into some laundry folding motivation. Now, grab your laundry baskets, make yourself comfortable, and fold along with me. I am going to be looking at the tags to make sure that I'm putting the right child's clothes in the right pile. Now, normally I would separate these clothes and then fold them, but y'all, this is not even half the laundry that I had. Y'all, I cannot stand this part of doing laundry. Like, I cannot stand the folding process of laundry, and I really can't stand when I get everything folded and gotta put it away. Y'all, I cannot. But I have neglected the laundry. I'm just keeping it real. I have neglected the laundry. So much has been going on and the laundry has piled up, but now I need to stop doing this to myself. Leave a comment if you do this to yourself. You let the laundry get behind and then you wash everything, get everything washed up, and now you have all this laundry you have to fold. Like, y'all, get ready for an upcoming laundry motivational video because I cannot fold all of these clothes that day. Now, normally during the school days, I separate my kids' laundry into their own baskets and I let them fold their clothes and put their clothes away. But since the summer came and then my stepdaughters went away to visit a relative for the summer, they wasn't here, so I kind of just folded everything, washed everything, and just give it to them and let them put it away. But y'all, we might have to go back to that. You know what I'm saying? Because it was so much laundry, y'all. So much laundry. But I want to take the time out to say thank you once again. Thank you to all my returning subscribers, to all my new subscribers, to all my friends on here on YouTube that I have met, my sisters, my queens. Thank you guys so much for every comment, every subscription, every like, for just supporting my channel, and every collaboration, every word of encouragement. Thank you so much. I appreciate each and every one of you so much, and I really mean that from the bottom of my heart. And I know that sounds really cliche, but I do appreciate you. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it motivated you to continue to strive and get everything that you need to get did around your home, and focus, because a clean home is a clean mind, and I really stand behind that. Because honey, when things are a mess, my whole world is a mess. When it's messy around here, y'all, I be like the Tasmanian devil up in this house. But I hope you guys are staying motivated and staying and folding along with me this far. If you are still here, please drop a laundry basket, a shirt, a sock, or some type of cleaning emoji down in the comments below, or just let me know that you are still here. But I'm gonna stop talking and let you enjoy the rest of this motivation.
Just give it up. I'm not your girl and I never will be. Don't call me up, don't waste your time, cause I'll be your enemy. If you want love, look somewhere else, here you'll find nothing. Just give it up. I'm not your girl, cause I only love me. Don't get me wrong, you and I could have fun together. When I feel done with having fun on my own, it's better to care for yourself, not rely on somebody else. So don't get me wrong, I'm just riding alone. Just walk away, cause I got no intentions of hanging out with you tonight. Don't look my way. If you want a problem, I'll give you a problem, alright? If you want love, just give it up. You got the wrong girl. You got the wrong, you got the wrong, you got the wrong girl, girl. You got the wrong, you got the wrong, you got the wrong girl, girl. This is my time. I'm feeling good, rule every party. See how I shine when I'm alone. Nothing can stop.
All right, we did it. If you cleaned along with me, if you folded along with me, we did it. And you made it to the end. If you made it to the end of this video, you are a real one. Thank you so much. I appreciate you all so much for hanging along with me and hanging in there to the end of this video. And I hope I motivated you to get whatever you needed to tackle around your home done. Thank you so much for rocking with me today. And don't worry, mama, if you didn't get everything that you needed to get done. The good thing about it, we always have tomorrow to be the best of ourselves again. So don't stress yourself, mama. Don't worry about it. You got this. You're gonna get it all done. I hope you guys have a great week or weekend whenever you're tuning into this video, and I will see all you lovely people in my next one. Peace and blessings, you guys.